I'm Kiara Dunstan, and I'm here with a quick weekly update from Comodo Threat Research Lab for the week of June 19, 2018. So here's what happened. Over the past week, Comodo analyzed more than 13 million new unknown files, and over 982,000 files were deemed malicious. 126,000 of those unknown files were analyzed by human experts of Comodo's Threat Research Lab. Malicious code, or malware for short, falls into many categories, including more and less dangerous varieties. In this first chart, we can see that the United States, shown in blue, is the #1 country of detection for our top 3 application malware categories, which simply include unwanted and unsafe applications. The US and many other Western countries have invested a lot in cybersecurity, which means that hackers are often forced to incorporate malicious code into dodgy applications in order to compromise their targets. Such applications are usually less dangerous than Trojans, viruses, worms, etc., and so are often simply called potentially unwanted software or applications. This second chart ignores application malware and focuses on our more dangerous malware types. This week, the most common dangerous types were Trojans, viruses, and worms. Here, we often find a much wider variety of countries represented at the top. The top country for viruses over the past week was Kazakhstan, shown in red. The top country for computer worms was Russia, shown in green. Now let's take a closer look at the #1 target country for the #1 malware type this week, Trojans in Germany, shown in purple. Here's a timeline of malware detections in Germany over the past few months. As you can see, Germany is currently experiencing an extraordinary infestation of Trojan horse malware. In this chart, Trojans are shown in the color purple. Over the past week, the number of Trojan detections in Germany has been many times the normal volume. Also over the past week, Comodo detected 421 unique Trojan families in Germany. The top families in the current campaign have been Starter and Remnant, both of which are described by Microsoft as severe malware threats. The city in Germany where these Trojan detections have mostly taken place is Frankfurt. Comodo has also identified technology as at least one of the victimized economic verticals. Here's a little bit of background on this story. Frankfurt has been described in the press as the world's largest internet hub and a center for strategic signals intelligence gathering. Therefore, it is in fact somewhat unsurprising that such an important part of the internet would attract so much malware. And those are your highlights for the week of June 19th. Comodo's Threat Research Lab continuously monitors the cyberspace to fight malware around the clock. We bring you information about new threats, risks, and protection methods. And if you want to know more about current and potential cybersecurity issues, please visit www.comodo.com/lab.